Hey guys, sorry for the background noise.
Lại.
Sorry for the background too, but it's okay. So I'm going to show you. And today I'm going to show you my top 5 squishies. And yeah, first thing my favorite squishy is this squishy donut. It's very soft. It's kind of that it like broke, so I put the Scotch tape, and I still really like it. It's soft.
This is here.
Very soft.
No, H-E-R-E-H-E-R-E here.
So I like this.
Spelling.
My first favorite squishy is this chocolate roll, and it's supposed to have a magnet here, but it dropped off in signature. And it's very soft. It's very soft. That is why I like it. Yeah. My third favorite squishy is these Happy Face one. I really like this because it's so squishy, and I really like the texture and the smell. It smells like a weird chemical smell. It smells like cow. But the only reason I don't like this is because when you squish it, it has like a sound. You guys hear that? You guys hear? But I still really like it. Next squishy. My top second squishy is this Red Bull Panda Bun. Actually, this was my first favorite squishy, but I really I choose it as my second because it has like a few damage when I purchased this, but it's still okay. I really love it because it's very squishy. My top first favorite squishy. Look at my toes. I chose this as my most favorite squishy. My most top first favorite squishy, as I really love Rilakkuma. I love Rilakkuma. So if like you send me a fan mail package or anything, I hope it's Rilakkuma inside. But I'm not just forcing you. And yeah, I really want to make fan mail package videos. So if you're kind, give me a fan mail package, you may. And so yeah, I really like this. It's very soft and I love Rilakkuma. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe my channel if you enjoyed this video, and bye YouTube.